Alright guys, welcome to the stream. This is the third day now, non-stop streaming. And then we are going to kindly subscribe to the channel, like the stream and share with your friends. So we are going to look at some pairs that is strictly synthetics this night. Let's see what is there for us. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, like the stream. Oh, this is Deriv. So this is what we are going to look at. Kindly subscribe to the stream, share and leave it comment on any of my videos. Let me see if we have got something. So guys, this was the pair of yesterday. This was yesterday's pair that we analyzed, and this is how it is doing. This is how it is doing right now. Yes, this is how it is. Meaning we have hit the TP, our TP, which is 8K. This. So let me take a screenshot. Let me first take a screenshot of this one here. Let me take a screenshot of this. So that is Telegram. Telegram. Oh, so this is it. Guys, subscribe to my channel, like the stream and share. Subscribe to the channel, like the stream and share. Let's see which other pair yesterday. It was BTC. So let's see how BTC has done. Then we shall analyze other pairs also. Let's first see this, how it has performed. If we are hit stop loss or our TP also, like this pair that we saw right there. So this is it. It is still ranging, but you can see how it played out. So I'm first going to send this before we begin. First going to send this before we begin. So that is our BTC right there. This was the synthetics, which is volatility 50. We have hit our take profit. This is our BTC. We are still ranging. As I said yesterday, you see a retracement and then bounced back. So let's just go. We are going to clear all this. Yes, so we can just clear and forget this. How is the gold doing? How is gold doing? I'm going to analyze gold. We see how it is playing out. So we shall begin from the high time frame, which is 4 hours. That is where I begin from. 4 hours. So we are seeing something here looking nice. Let's see. Let's see. So one day, this is one day. So guys, as we are seeing how the market is, this is the structure that we are able to see. This is the structure we are able to see. We are seeing a pullback. Yes, a pullback, and then the upside again and again. So what are we expecting? We are expecting at least if it comes back here, then we shall go back up, because this is an uptrend. Then we are going to expect this. That is what we are going to expect right there. In that kind of market, that is what we shall expect. Let me see something. Yes, that is what we are going to expect now here, because we are clearly seeing that the market is trending up. Now, if you are to mark out our zones, let's mark out our zones. Let's mark out our zones. This is how simple it is. Yes, we are able to see this. So we are able to see that, which is the first zone. Then we are able to see all this. And this also is a zone. So what are expecting? We are expecting a market to, because this it has already made a retest. So this is what we are expecting on gold. If it doesn't break this, then we shall go back up. If it breaks this, then we shall sell massively to this zone. This is another zone also. So this is another zone. Another zone that we are able to see. This is what we are projecting. Yes, a break below this, then we shall continue selling to this zone. A break below this, then we shall continue selling to the zone. As easy as that. As easy as that. Now let's go lower again. We have to go lower after this, then you have to go lower. Of course, these are our zones. A break below this, then it will be a massive sell for us. Then we shall sell. But now the market is still, as we are seeing the movement right here. Let's go lower. We see 4 hours time frame. If that is what we are still seeing. Yes, here is still. It's still. We are able to see a rejection here, rejection here, rejection here. So what does this mean? Rejections equals to rejections mean the market is strong. The market is strong. These are the rejections. So let's wait for it to at least it breaks this zone. This is other zone that we are seeing. A break below this, then we shall sell targeting this zone. Now let's go lower to 1 hour. We see. Let's go to 1 hour. We see. 1 hour. It is the same thing. As you see, this is what I was saying. So let's wait for it to break this, and then we shall enter, of which we are going to take another trade here. Let's go to 15 minutes. 15 minutes, and we shall get our entry from there. So this is going to be our confirmation right here. That is going to be our confirmation right there. Let's short. Yes, we are going to short the sales. The stop loss is going to be above that. So this is what we are waiting for. But we are not entering now the market. Don't enter before I say don't enter. So wait for it to play out, we see. Wait for it to play out and we see. So this is what I have analyzed on gold, guys. This is what I have analyzed on gold. What I have analyzed on gold. Yesterday's pair is here, and you see how it is doing right here. Let me do something here. Let me do something. Guys, subscribe to the channel, like the stream. Subscribe to the channel, like the stream. Let me first make a short here. Let me first make a short here. So let's create a short. Guys, that was yesterday that we traded live. I gave yesterday live. Then this is our gold signal that we are waiting for. Wait for it to close below this. Let it close below this, then we shall sell. Don't sell from here. So let me record here a short. Guys, this is the signal I gave yesterday. Let me. So I want to make a short here. So guys, this is the signal we traded yesterday, as you see. So we were buying here. I gave two signals yesterday. I gave the BTC, Bitcoin, of which we took some profits and left the market. Then this we waited for it to fully hit the TP, of which you are seeing right here. You see guys. So subscribe to my channel and like the video. So that is what we are waiting for. That is what we are waiting for. Guys, let's wait for it to make a close or to close below this, then we shall. Let's wait for it to close below this, then we shall sell. For now, don't sell. Before I tell you guys, don't sell. Let's wait for it to close below this, then we shall sell. Yes, that is our signal for today. Let's first wait for it and then we shall analyze synthetics also, if you guys need synthetics. Like the stream and subscribe to the channel. Like the stream and subscribe to the channel if you are watching this. Like the stream and subscribe to the channel. Guys, like the stream and subscribe to the channel. That is our signal that I just gave. That is the signal for today. This was yesterday's trade. That is the signal we are waiting for. Ask questions where you don't understand. I'm going to explain it for you. Ask questions, I'm going to explain it for you. Subscribe to the channel and like the stream. Live every day. We are live every day, giving signals and learning. Yes, two things at the same time. Two things at the same time. We learn and we give signals. We learn and trade at the same time. We learn and trade. Guys, subscribe to the channel. Yes, we learn and trade at the same time. We trade while learning. This is all we do right here. Subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my streams because they are worth it. So this was yesterday's trade, as you see. Ask questions where you don't understand. I'm going to answer you. Why we took this trade yesterday, I explained. If you are not in the live yesterday, kindly watch the live of yesterday, you will see. Yes, why I took the trade yesterday, why we took the trade. These were important zones that you see here. Because of these rejections, that is why we short from here. This is, as you see here, the liquidity was swept. Yes, it was swept as you see. Then a close above the second candle, a close above the second candlestick, which made us to buy from here. Then this was our take profit. The highs, these highs here were the take profit. So this is today's trade, and there is a reason why I took this trade also. We are able to see that these are zones we began from the higher time frame. From the higher time frame, that is where we began from, as you see. We are seeing multiple rejections. We are seeing equal highs right here. Here breaks. We are seeing many breaks, almost breaks happening here. Here and there breaks. Then this is a zone also. This zone right here is a zone. This area. This area. And that is why we are going to take these sales on XA AUSD. Yes, that is why we are taking all these trades. Then once we go to synthetics, let's check on synthetics. Let's check on synthetics. So this was the pair. Let's see which other pair. Volatility 25. Let's check on volatility 25 index. Let's see how it is doing. So once we have a look at this, first thing I told you guys is to find the daily bias of the market. So what is the daily bias that is trending down? We are seeing these moves that have been happening in the market. Is you see how the market has been moving. This is a high, another high formed, another high formed, and then a low formed, and here we are. So what are we expecting? We are expecting a drop of this market. We are expecting a drop of the market for it to drop. and this is the higher time frame, not the lower time frame. So the lower time frame is where we shall take the trades from, that is 15 minutes. So let's check on 4 hours. We have seen that it's a downtrend right there. So why are we checking on this again is to confirm if all we saw is true. If all we saw is true. Let me zoom it in so that we all see it. So we are able to see that these are zones. Anyone can see that these are zones. Then we are able to see a break here, of which all that can happen is this. Then we shall target this zone. This is what we are eyeing. This is what we are eyeing. We are eyeing that. We are able to see also a zone right here. So you see all that is happening. This can be seen clearly. Anyone can be able to see this, that this is what is happening in the market right now. Anyone can be able to see we are seeing a break, of which we are expecting this to be taken out before we make a push to the upside. So our TP is going to be this, and this is the 4 hours time frame. What we see from 24 hours time frame is what we shall see at 4 hours time frame. All that is the same thing. Now after 4 hours, we have to go to 1 hour. 1 hour time frame, and we check 1 hour time frame and we check what is happening. The same thing. You see the same thing is happening here. Same thing, the market has been dropping as we are seeing. So let's be patient and wait for it to make a move before we take this trade. Before we take this trade, let it make a move. Yes, and this is going to be our TP. These are very many pips that we shall bag here. We shall bag very many pips. We shall bag very many pips right here. Yes, so let's see 15 minutes. This is where we shall take our trade now. This is where we shall take our trade. You see guys what has been happening here. So that was the higher time frame. Now here we are at the lower time frame, which is going to be different now. Which is going to be different from this. So watch clearly, I show you guys how this is going to turn out. Yes, we are seeing most ranges here, the market isn't making any move, but this is all I'm seeing. This is all I'm seeing here. Let's wait for this candlestick to close. Is this yes, so let's wait for it to close. Let it close above that, or let it form another bullish candlestick. Let's wait for it to form a bullish candlestick before we take this trade. Yes, yes. So we shall long this. Let's wait for it to close above that, and then we shall take the trade. How many pips are this? 52 pips. We are risking 13 pips to catch 52. We are risking 13 to catch 52. This is not bad. Let's wait for a bullish candlestick to be formed before we take this trade. Yes, so 14 pips to target 52. Let's wait for a bullish candlestick to be formed before we take this trade. Let's wait for it to be formed before we take the trade. Like the stream, like the stream and subscribe. Like the stream and subscribe. So all this is what we are waiting for. Let's wait for it to close above this before we. So this is let's save a layout. We have to save a layout. This is volatility 25 on 15-minute time frame. Guys, let's wait for it to close above that before we buy. Yes, I always encourage you guys to wait patiently. What I mean by a close is that let's wait for it to do this. Let me see if I can be able to. So what I mean by a close above this is this red candlestick here. Let's wait for a green one to be formed. We shall buy from here. Now wait for it. Yes, wait for this candlestick at least to pull back and we form a bullish candlestick before we buy. That is all we are seeing right there. This is our gold trade. This is our gold. We have to patiently wait for it to make a move. I hope I have saved that. Let's see. So that is our trade. This is the entry level. Let me write. Okay, subscribe to the channel and like the stream. Subscribe to the channel, like the stream. Subscribe. Let's see which color should I give it. So I'm going to give it red. So that is our zone, guys. That is our zone. Let's wait for it to close. I said a close above this. A close above this, then we shall be able to buy. Right now, patiently wait for this candlestick to change to a green candlestick. That is when we shall buy. Now, wait, I'm going to tell you guys. Guys, kindly join these links on my description. Join the links on my description. I have links there. Join. I have these links on my description. Join it. So this is my Discord. Click on it. We shall connect with each other. This is the discussion group. Link discussion group. This is my personal X account, which is Twitter. Yes, and subscribe to the channel. Subscribe. Let's wait for it to subscribe and like the stream. Like the stream and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for liking the stream. Thank you for liking the stream. Thank you for liking the stream. I appreciate. Thank you for liking the stream. Thank you for liking the stream. Thank you for liking the stream. Looking at two pairs, which is volatility 25 and gold. And this is our gold. A close below this, then we shall be able to sell. Yes. The network is not good. The network isn't behaving well. This is my channel, guys. Join the channel. So this was the trade of yesterday. Our yesterday's trade, which was here. This is before it played out. Here I give before and after. Before and after. Yes, I give before and after. Then this was our BTC, which is Bitcoin. So in all my trades, I give before it plays out and then after it plays out, and I share them with people in this group. So kindly join my group. Yes, join the group. Let's see what we shall share there. Let's just check on other pairs we see. We analyze before we leave. We analyze before I leave. Oh, which pair should I analyze for you guys? Let's check on GBP USD. Let's say GBP USD. GBP USD, how it is doing. Like the stream and subscribe, please. Like the stream and subscribe. So all we are seeing here is a sideways movement. It's not making any move at all. But this is what all we are seeing. This is all we are seeing. So how do we begin now in such kind of market here? Here first you need to know the directional bias being lower. So let me zoom it out. We see. We are clearly seeing that the market is trending up. We are clearly seeing that the market is trending up. We are clearly seeing all these moves. So what are we waiting for? Let's wait for a pullback. Only one strategy. You have to be changing strategies. The one that works for you, that is where you stick. So guys, it's time to